Today we got a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title of the video is Man Hides in Bushes from Police After Attacking His Girlfriend.
On June 4th, 2023, police were called after a man let his anger get the best of him towards his girlfriend, and when a physical dispute happened between them two, he tried to act like he did nothing wrong.
He was in there when we knocked, and then when she screamed help and get away from me, and we started kicking the door, then came in and she said he went out the window. So it would have been a minute.
I trotted up to you for a second to see if you guys entered the door. And then I came right back down. The chances that you came out the exact moment.
You could have. I don't know how long. Probably, it would only have been a few more seconds and then jumped out. We got K9 still, right? Or are they both off at 4:30? Yeah, her face is all, it's a legit domestic. Where's he at? Come on out. Get on the ground. Hands up. Get on the ground.
No, I'm spooking for a base.
Okay.
I didn't do that. Boy, nigga, I'm in my own house.
Yeah, I hide in the woods when I don't do anything too.
You said hide in the woods?
What, you just taking a shit back there?
No, what you mean? I'm on probation. I'm a spooky. I got stuff going on.
Get up.
What you say? I got work tomorrow. Grab my phone?
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah. Come on the phone. Hello? Yeah, y'all arrested me for no. I'm in my own
Grandma?
house.
All right, he'll have to call you back.
I'm in my own house. And then my grandma called. I told my grandma to call the law to my house. Cause I'm being, that's up to my house. Right, well, I'm getting arrested.
So if you needed the police, what did you run away for?
So what?
If you wanted us to come, what did you run away for?
No, because she said she was going to lie and say I did it to her. She broke in my crib. That's what I'm saying. So I'm like, oh, no, you ain't finna lie and say I did nothing. I'm on probation. You know what I'm saying?
I was here about 2 weeks ago. You kicked in your own door and you ran away.
No, I didn't kick in my own door.
There's a weird pattern of behavior going on.
No, I didn't kick in my own door. She kicked in my door.
Then why'd you run away?
I didn't run away from my house.
Yeah, we seen you in there and you ran out the back door, the back window again. Same thing.
You didn't see me run no back door in my own house?
Yeah, you're right.
No, you didn't see
And you're
that.
not hiding in the woods just now. Okay, we're on the same page.
What you mean? I'm in the woods right now. Come talking to my grandma. My grandma out here, so grandma, wait till you get here. I called my grandma and told her to call law. I told my grandma to call law over here to my house because she was in my crib. I called my grandma and told.
Man, I wonder what grandma thinks about the way you treating the ladies, man. Are you being honest? You know, he probably not being honest. You know, family members and stuff like that, they see you one way, you know, but you really out here acting like a demon, you know? But my thing is this. This is probably not the first time it's happened between the two, right? Is she gonna leave? Probably not. This is going to happen, right? He's going to jail, whatever, yada, yada, yada. But is she gonna leave? Probably not. And that's the sad part.
And she called y'all.
And you're
y'all didn't ask her to come to my crib because she was in my house.
We'll go over it once we get
Yeah, I promise you.
You should have just stayed up there and talked to these guys.
Yeah.
No, this is what I'm saying. I got a lot of stuff going on. My mom just lost her husband. I just lost my dad.
What's your name, man?
My name is James, man.
You know me, don't you?
My name is James. Yeah, I know you. My name is James. I just lost my mom. Just lost her husband. I just lost my dad. Like, I'm like, they just want me to try to put me in trouble and stuff, and I know stuff I'm not doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have
I told Grandma you call her back. She on her way over here or something?
Yeah, she coming over here because she didn't want to call. She didn't want to call. So I got arrest me from my resident. You know what I'm saying?
We'll let her know what's up.
So I'm in my residence, though.
James what? What's your last name?
I'm in my residence. I'm in my residence.
No, actually, you in the bushes.
You know what I'm saying?
An innocent person ain't jumping out the window and going hiding in the bushes.
I'm my own resident, and I'm getting a phone call. You know what I'm saying?
Get the cash and put back in there, right?
You know what I'm saying? I'm at my own resident, and I'm getting arrested. My own resident. You feel me? I'm on probation.
I got arrested in the woods.
I'll put these cards back in your pocket too.
I'm in the right, so I'm not bothering nobody. You feel where I'm coming from?
All right, this ain't our first.
I was
day.
already downstairs sitting outside from the door.
All right, go ahead. Sit down.
You know, see what I'm arrested for?
Sit down.
That's crazy, man.
Domestic battery. Get your feet in.
How I get this better in my own house?
Feet. Doesn't matter where it happens. Get your feet in.
Who? How I get Mr. Barrett? My grandma made a call
Please
for
put your
me.
feet in before I put your feet in for you.
Oh man, no.
Thank you. Probably not yet. But
I can't remember if I got one on him or not.
you probably did. That was quick work, Keaton. I like it.
Don't bite you. It's taking a long time to get to you.
I just thought you were going to take a long stroll. I didn't know you were...
He was charged with domestic battery. Do you really think he had a chance of getting away from the police after he...
No, he had no chance. He had no chance at getting away, man. You doing this to the ladies, man. Come on, man. Like I said, these things, it seems like they've been having problems, because the officer said 2 weeks ago we were just here because you kicked down your own door, right? But it's like, why? The cops shouldn't know you. You shouldn't be a regular. Like, it's okay. You got your favorite bar. You got your favorite coffee shop. You got your favorite bookstore. You got, independent bookstores, not like a Barnes and Noble or something. But like, you got your favorite spots. And the people that work there know you. You got your favorite restaurants. They know you. Hey, so-and-so, yada, yada. You're a regular, right? It's a good thing. Stay with me now. Stay with me now. You with me? Stay with me. I'm going somewhere with this. Right? So anyway, you... Yo, hey, I always coming up with some catchphrases. I got some... Yeah. But anyways, what I'm saying here is that, when you're a regular at these places and stuff like that, there's nothing wrong with that. It's a good thing. You know what I mean? You might get some discounts. You might get some, if it's your favorite restaurant, you might get an extra dessert. You know what I mean? Because you a regular. The regulars get treated a little different. But you do not want to be a regular when it comes to the police, man. It's like, no, that's not it, man. If the cop gotta sit there and say, you know me, right? That's not, oh, nah, I don't know you. You don't want the officer to know you by face, by name, the only way that should happen is maybe if y'all went to school together or something. But if he know you for criminal activities, nah, man. That's not a good look. That's not a good look at all, man. Not at all. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.